The sea looks blue, because red, orange, and yellow from the wavelength of light are absorbed more strongly by the water than blue. So when the white light from the sun reaches the sea, it is mainly blue that comes back. The same is true about the blue sky. In other words, the color of the sea and the color of the sky are related to each other, but they appear independently. In both cases, the absorption of long wavelength light results in blue. Note that this effect only applies if the water is very clean. If the water is full of mud, algae, or other impurities, then this will definitely affect its color. So why are sunsets orange? We can find a slight difference here in relation to the sea. The sky is blue not because the atmosphere absorbs other colors, but because the atmosphere actually scatters the smallest wavelength of light, which is blue. This happens to a greater extent than the longer wavelengths like red. Therefore, the blue light from the sun is scattered everywhere, much more than all other colors. This is evident when we look at the sky during daytime. When the sun sets, however, the light that reaches us must pass much more atmosphere than when the sun is above us, and in this case the long wavelength prevails and we see red more intensely. We can also answer the question why clouds, milk, sugar, and salt are white. The particles in these materials that are responsible for the scattering of light are greater than the wavelength of the light itself. As a result, all the colors of the light are scattered in more or less the same amount. In milk, this phenomenon is largely due to lipids. If we observe it carefully, we will see that it has a light blue tint.